Was it love at first sight?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Like you saw her and you were like, she's the one?
Yeah.
Well, this is my beautiful wife, Kim Kardashian West.
What's up, Kim? Hey, darling.
We're having a baby.
What?
Okay, what habits did you change when we moved in together?
I stopped being alone.